Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about Stackia's tracking tool and how you can use it to elevate your business endeavors. Think about the tracking tool as a way to see the path between your contacts, leads, customers, callers across all your websites, forms, APIs, and phone numbers. You can customize it in multiple ways and give your business a high-level reporting across all channels. To use this tool, go to the tracking tab on the left menu, and right here you guys can see Stackia actually gives you 3 tracking formats examples, and if you want to, you can play with them, but for this video right here I will show you how to create one from the ground up. To do that, click on the Edit Track button right here, and let's choose what type of campaign we're going to track. You can choose between contacts, API, call flow, or form. I am going to choose the contact one, so it's already selected, and we are going to click in Create Input. In this page right here, we are going to create our tracking campaign, so I'm gonna give it a name, customer. You can choose the owner, in this case it's only me, and we can also give it tags. In this example, use the customer tag that I created before, and click in Save. By the way, if you guys don't know about the tag system in Stackia, I'll leave you with an earlier video uploaded to this channel where we talk about it. Just go to the left corner of your screen to see it. In this page right here, you can add a validation system, you can add a cost tracking system, or API permissions. You can also use notes, so if you're working with more people in this project, you can add a note here to remember later. For example, this only applies to customers. After you customize your tracking system the way you wanted it, just click on Save. As you guys can see right here, our customer campaign was created successfully. You can share this campaign through an embedded code or an API integration tool provided by Stackia. To share this campaign right here, you are going to click in this button on the left corner called Integration Instruction, and you can use an embedded code or an API integration to share your campaign. Depending on the type of campaign that you are doing your tracking, you can also have a link to share it to. So for example, in this new skill form campaign right here, we have a link provided by Stackia. You can also deactivate your campaign at any time you want by clicking here, or deactivate the processing part, or even exclude the tags for your campaign if you want to. It's all customizable. But the best part is how you can add your campaign to a flow system. To do this, go to the triggered flow column and click in Add New. In this screen right here, choose a trigger name. I will use customer, and you can actually add it to a flow that you already created. So I will add it to the customer flow, and you can choose the type of trigger that you want. The amount of triggers available will depend on what type of campaign you are creating. For this one, we only have the API trigger. Once you choose your flow and your trigger, you can add the trigger right here, and it will automatically add your flow to the triggered flow column. If you click here, the site will redirect us to this tab that is the customer flow one, and as you guys can see, I already have the customer trigger automatically added to my flow system right here. So let's go back to our tracking tool right here, and just as a reminder, you guys can actually add multiple flows to your tracking system, and you can also actually create a new flow from the ground up just for your tracking campaign. It depends on how you guys wanted to use it, but for example, customer plus, let's add a team flow to this right here, just so you guys can see, API host, and add the trigger. It will automatically add it too, so you guys can also delete the flow if you want, and do multiple things with it. And that's it, guys. This is how you use Stackia's tracking tool and automation system to help you grow your business and make your life easier. See you guys next time. Bye bye.